Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I thought this would be a quick fun exercise for anyone who's new to the app Procreate, and decided to create a tutorial how to draw lasers. Let me talk a little bit about the drawing before I begin. So this is an album cover I'm doing for a friend, and I thought it would be cool to have lasers shooting out of the lion's eyes, which is a patch on his jacket. The brush I chose to use is the Luminescence Lightning Pen. A trick I learned to make the lasers look more realistic when shooting out of the eye is to fill in the entire eye, which I find gives it a more realistic look because the laser has to be coming from somewhere. Otherwise, it might look a little fake, unless that's what you're going for. Technically, it doesn't matter what color you fill in the eye with. I chose personally to do a blue eye and then have a purple laser shooting out. And my reasoning for this is when a flame is super hot, it's either blue, really bright yellow, or white. And I wanted to give that illusion that because it's coming from the eye, that it's the hottest part. Using the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and do the first line of the laser. Something really useful to know, especially if you're a beginner, is that if you draw any sort of line or lettering, when you hold down the pen, you have the ability to straighten out that line or correct it. Next, I erased my last line and decided to increase the pen size. I also pressed a little bit harder as I got towards the middle of the line. Next, I'm going to enhance the lasers just a little bit by taking my pen tool, selecting white, and ever so slightly shading inside the lines. Because the lasers are going straight into his beard, I need to reflect some of the light off the hair just a little bit. I decided to go with elements in the brush library, then chose Hard Rain. Now they do have a brush option called Stubble, but I chose to go with Hard Rain because it's a little more dense. I also chose Hard Rain for eraser mode, just so I could go back and play with the intensity of how much light was reflecting off the beard. For my last step, I'll be going back and filling in the laser. To do this properly, I would put my brush on a low opacity. That way you can blend and control how bright you want the laser. I'm new to Procreate, and there'll definitely be more videos just like this one coming your way as I discover techniques myself. Thanks for watching my quick tutorial on how to draw lasers, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.